Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to select and drop variables in Python. Once you have collected the data set, it may be possible that you want to create the model using only some variables, and therefore you'll require select command. It may also be possible that you want to drop some of the variables. So we'll be using two commands here, one select and another is drop. How we can do this? Let's see in Python. I'll request all of you that please refer my previous lectures to understand the flow of entire series. So first of all, I'll import the data, Titanic data, very popular data set by using the command df is equal to pd.read underscore csv. I'll run the command line. Now, let me include one more cell here below and I'll run the data frame. So you can see that the entire data frame here. Now I want to select some of the variables here or drop some of them. So how I can do? Let's see. So for selecting, I'll be using, see, df is a data frame which has been created is equal to data frame square bracket. I'll specify the name of the variables which I want to include. So by this way, I'll be able to select specific variable. So now my data frame consists of gender, age, and embark. If I want to drop it, I'll again run the data frame. So df is equal to pd.read underscore csv. I will again import the data. R is a magical operator which can be used for smooth import of the data set. Now to drop any variable, the command line is df is equal to df.drop columns is equal to sex. It means that I want to drop this particular variable. When I run this command line, you can see here that now gender is no longer existing in the data. So this is a way in which you can select and drop the variables in Python. For more videos on data science using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos which are related to data science using Python. Thank you.